Hello, second graders, and happy Wednesday. How are we feeling today? Let's make it a great day. Here we go. The month is September. I see that today is September 30th. It is also the last day of September. I have a question for you. How many Tuesdays are in September? How many Tuesdays? Let's count them out. Here we go. Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What month comes next? What month will I be doing tomorrow? October. You are correct. Let's go ahead and write the date. I know that September's the 9th month. I know it's September 30th, 2020. So let's write that in word form. September 20th, 2000. Oh, did I say 20th? I so meant 30th. 2020. I know that today is Wednesday, so if today is Wednesday, I hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, then tomorrow will be Thursday. Yesterday we had been at school 13 days, 13 plus one more. Everybody is what? Did you say 14? You're right. All right, I'm going to make 14 cents. Here I go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. Know these words faster than me. Here we go. 2. Could. 2. Come. Put. Also. Counting by twos, let's stop at 50 today. All right. Here we go. Actually, let's go to 60. Let's be brave. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Let's go a little bit further. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Nice job.